Hello, good morning friends. Myself Dhaval S. Mistry. I am assistant professor in mechanical engineering department from a 3.5 year experience from mine, and I am a teaching assistant professor in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical and Research and Education Center. Okay, in our institute, Mahatma Gandhi Institute has a huge campus, and there are an engineering college and also a diploma college in our campus. In our campus, a sport complex is also available for the indoor game for the student, and also in outdoor games a huge cricket ground is also available in our institute. In our institute, the highly educated and highly experienced professors are work in our institute, and it is a reputed college in Gujarat, and it is a oldest college in Navsari Engineering College. Okay, and now we start with today manufacturing process. Subject code is 314198, and today we discuss about milling machine. Okay, in milling machine we know that about milling machine work as the excess material are removed to the workpiece, and finishing to the workpiece. Milling operation is also drilling, shaping, gear profile are also operation done by the milling machine. Today we discuss about the knee and column type of milling machine. See and figure, this is the knee and column type of milling machine. It is a simple type of milling machine to remove excess material from the workpiece. See in the figure, there are the overarm, arbor support. This is arbor, this is cutter, this is nut, drawbar, spindle, column, elevating screw, and this is base. This is a simple diagram for the milling machine, column and knee type of milling machine. First of all, start with the cutter. There are many types of cutter in the milling machine. There is a plain milling machine, angular, profile, cutter. There are many types of cutter are available in a market. We require when a size, shape and size use of the cutter, change of the cutter from the arbor. And the arbor is supported by the in arbor supported arbor cutter are located to the arbor. This is the overarm, drawbar, spindle, column, table, and saddle and knee. The saddle are the move in the direction left and right side of movement. It is adjustable by the we require the workpiece shape and size. The table is first of all in a workpiece taken in a workpiece from the table and put in the table, and we perform the operation. For workpiece are held on the fixer by the fixer. There are different types of fixer in putting in the table, and performing in this machining is start with putting workpiece, and we require the cut whenever we require to material cut. The cutter are rotating, and the excessive material are to be removed. And this is the elevating screw up and down whenever the required size of the workpiece is long. The table and knee type is below underside by the elevating screw below the elevating screw. Okay, this is the simplest type of knee and milling type of milling machine to remove excess material by the Next topic is the up milling and down milling. See in figure, the up milling and down milling are performing on the milling machine. First is the up milling. In a figure of the cutter, this is the cutter, this is workpiece, this is the work table, and the feeding direction of the feeding is left hand side, and the rotor are in the right hand side. So in figure, the first teeth of the contact with the bottom side of the workpiece, and first cut of the model is minimum. First in up milling, the cutter first cut with the minimum material, then after the end of the maximum cutting portion. The direction of the minimum to maximum cutting by the up milling, and opposite to the down milling. Down milling first of the huge maximum cut by the first, and last in the small cut by the in the last. That's why the in a soft material in a soft material, use of the in down milling, because the cut of the cutter is maximum to be first. That's why it is the use of the softer material in down milling. Because if the hard material are to be in use of the down milling, what's happen? The cutter are to be chances of the destroy is maximum, because the cut off very high to the inner first point. In this the hard material to be used in the up milling, because the first cut is the minimum to the maximum. That is why use of the up milling. The advantages of pots in up milling, if the contact of the first is minimum to the maximum, the chances of the cutter breaking is very low, and the cutter in down milling, the chances of the cutter are to be a maximum in a down milling. Next topic is a milling machine operation. We know that the milling machine, there are many operations done by the milling machine. There are the plain milling machine, angular milling machine, face milling machine, keyway milling machine, gang milling operation. There are different types of operation done by the milling machine. So first we start with the plain milling operation. Say in figure the plain milling operation. This is the plain milling cutter and this is the workpiece. Whenever we require to the flat surface of the workpiece, when it is used of the plain milling machine. Plain milling machine cutter, what's happen? The surface finishing of all flat surface of the removing of the material done by the plain milling operation. Second one is the face milling operation. Okay. Second operation is face milling operation. In this operation, what's happened? This is the face cutter, milling cutter, and this is the workpiece. In this operation, the workpiece at the face of the workpiece are the removal material done by the face cutter. See in figure, the face of the workpiece is in this side, and the face cutter are to be removed by the facing of the material. Then third operation is the angular operation. Okay. See in figure the angular milling operation. This is the angular milling cutter and this is the workpiece. Whenever required to the angular shape of the workpiece, it is used of the angular milling operation. In this operation, what's happen? In the workpiece are to be cut by the in angular shape. Whenever required the angular workpiece, then it is used of the angular milling operation. Next operation is the form milling. Okay, see in figure, this is the form milling. In this are the form cutter and this is the workpiece. Whenever it is required to counter shape or irregular shape, then it is use of the form milling. Whenever in form milling milling operation, use of the form milling cutter and the workpiece are to be cut by the irregular shape, complex shape. It is used whenever the form milling operation are to be used. Next operation 2 is the gang milling. Okay. Next operation is the gang milling operation. In this operation, what's happened? There are the many cutter are in the one place. See in figure, this is a plain cutter and both are the form and face cutter. In this, what's happened? Okay, material are in the at that time there are many operation done by in workpiece. This is the most used whenever the mass production and the whenever mass production is required. The gang milling is the very comfortable in this operation, and it is whenever a huge shape of the heavy material, whenever it is used of the gang milling operation. Next operation is the keyway operation. Keyway milling operation. See in figure, this is the keyway milling operation, this is the workpiece and this is the cutter. In this operation, what's happened? Whenever the requirement of the keyway size of the cutting, it is required whenever it is use of the keyway done by the in this operation. See in the figure, first the upper side of the material are to be cut by in this the cutter are to be in the counter shape, and it is cut by the material to the keyway shape of the milling operation. Okay, and next is the end milling. Okay, this is the end milling operation, this is the end cutter, and this is the workpiece. End milling cutter, whenever it is used, whenever the slot created by in workpiece, then it is the use of the end milling operation. It is very important whenever the slot done by the workpiece, and this is the end milling operation is very important that in. Okay, thank you.